Before buying RentSentials, there are some key things you need to know. With so many real estate property management software options out there, it's essential to make sure RentSentials offers the features you need before making the commitment. In this video, we'll go through 12 things that will help you decide if it's the right fit, so make sure to stick around until the end. First, RentSentials is designed to streamline property management tasks, but unlike other competitors, it may have a bit of a learning curve for new users. While its interface is user-friendly once you get the hang of it, some users have found it initially overwhelming compared to others that are more intuitive. Next, the pricing structure. RentSentials offers tiered pricing depending on the number of properties you manage, but it's worth comparing this to other solutions to see if it gives you the best value for what you need. Some alternatives might offer more flexibility, especially if you manage fewer properties and are looking for something more affordable. The third thing is the range of features. RentSentials includes property listings, tenant management, and online payments, but it doesn't have some of the advanced customization options that other software like Appfolio might offer. If your business needs more customization, it's something to keep in mind. Next thing, RentSentials includes robust reporting tools that provide a clear overview of your financials. This is great for those who need to stay on top of income, expenses, and taxes. However, for more detailed reporting or integrations with other accounting software, you might find that some other tools give you a bit more depth in this area. The fifth thing is the mobile app. RentSentials has a mobile app which allows you to manage properties and tenants on the go. While this is convenient, it's not always as responsive or feature-rich as apps from competitors like Buildium, which has a more polished mobile interface. Moving on, the system supports communication between property managers and tenants, but if you need more advanced communication features or automated messaging, some competitors like Propertyware have stronger tools in this department. The seventh thing you should know is about customer support. RentSentials offers support through email and phone, but its response times may vary. If fast customer service is a priority for you, be sure to compare this to competitors like Tenant Cloud, which offers live chat support for quicker resolutions. The eighth thing is scalability. RentSentials is a good option for smaller to mid-size property management businesses. However, if you plan to grow your portfolio significantly, you might find that competitors like Yardi offer more scalability with advanced features that suit larger operations. The ninth thing is integrations. RentSentials integrates with some third-party apps, but if you use specific tools for accounting or other property management tasks, you may want to check if RentSentials integrates with those as seamlessly as competitors do. Next, the user interface design. While RentSentials is clean and professional, it's not as modern or visually appealing as some other platforms. If aesthetics and a sleek interface matter to you, other software like Rentec Direct may offer a more polished design. The 11th thing is ease of use. RentSentials is generally easy to use once you're familiar with the system. However, some users report that the initial setup and learning curve can be a bit steep, especially compared to alternatives like Rentec Direct, which prides itself on being extremely user-friendly. Finally, the customer base. RentSentials works well for independent property owners and small property management companies. If you're part of a large enterprise or need more complex features, there are other options out there that might better suit your needs. In conclusion, RentSentials is a solid choice for many property managers, offering essential tools at a reasonable price. But if you're looking for something more comprehensive, we recommend checking out our solution that offers a free trial to see if it's the better fit for your needs.